So you may have just picked up your iPhone 16 and you might be trying to figure out how you can use visual intelligence. Now it's a really cool feature, but to get started, you will have to be on iOS 18.1 or newer in order to use this feature, or iOS 18.2 in order to use visual intelligence. So 18.1 is for Apple Intelligence. If you want to get visual intelligence, you will have to be on iOS 18.2. In order to get that right now, it is available in a beta. So if it's not available right now, keep in mind it will be available in the future if it's not already available at this time. So make sure you're on iOS 18.2, either the official version or the beta that's available. So when you have that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go inside of your Apple Intelligence and Siri option right here, and then you want to go ahead and just enable Apple Intelligence. So this is the next thing you're going to have to do, and you will have to do this in order for it to work anyway. So enable Apple Intelligence, and then in order to go ahead and get into your visual intelligence panel, all you want to do is right on the side of your particular phone, there's a camera button right here. So on your iPhone 16, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and hold down on that camera button. So wherever that camera button is, why can't I find it? You want to hold down on that camera button, and then the visual intelligence panel will basically come up here. So, and this will basically just give you a little quick breakdown. It's going to tell you, visual intelligence with camera control, learn about the objects and all this other stuff around you. So you can go and click on continue right here, I guess whenever it's ready. And then at this point, whenever it's done glitching out, as you can see, it'll go and give you this little prompt. You can go and click on continue, and now you're ready to go. So now you can go ahead and use visual intelligence. You can go ahead and bring things in front of your particular iPhone camera. Let's say this random thing, and you can go and have it kind of tell you what it is. So you can then click on the photo right here. It'll go and examine what it is, and you can go and ask a question about it. You can search about it. You can do whatever, and that's basically all you really have to do. So now all it really does is just bring your photos into Google anyway, so you can go and click on continue. It'll go and search things up with Google and all that stuff, and it can kind of tell you what it is. And it actually did a pretty decent job. It's actually a Galaxy S23, but even S24 FE is pretty close. So that's basically how to use it. And to get out of it, you swipe up, and then you're out of visual intelligence. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.